Want extra security at your door? Smart locks with built-in cameras and fingerprint sensors offer the best of both worlds. In this video, we'll showcase the 5 best smart locks that provide keyless access, real-time monitoring, and ultimate protection. Whether for your home or business, these locks keep you secure and in control. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, XSDTS Q2 Biometric Fingerprint Lock. The XSDTS Q2 Biometric Fingerprint Lock, a secure and convenient solution for your home. With multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, password, IC card, and the Tuya app, this smart lock provides ultimate access control. Enjoy lightning-fast fingerprint recognition and peace of mind with the built-in camera, peephole, and doorbell. The lock also features an HD display screen, enhancing both functionality and security. Control your lock remotely with the Tuya app over Wi-Fi, ensuring secure access wherever you are. Plus, with its built-in rechargeable lithium battery, the lock is both efficient and reliable. Designed for steel, wooden, and brass doors, the XSDTS Q2 combines durability, smart technology, and style, making it the ideal choice for modern homes. Second product on our list, SANKESONG 3D Face Smart Door Lock. The SANKESONG 3D Face Smart Door Lock, a next-level solution for home security. With multiple unlocking methods like face recognition, fingerprint scanning, password entry, and even remote control, your home is always secure and accessible. With a rapid recognition time of just 0.5 seconds, you'll never have to wait to enter your home. The lock features an HD display screen, built-in camera, peephole, and two-way audio for enhanced safety. Control your lock from anywhere with the WiFi Home app, providing remote access via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Its durable, weather-resistant IP67 rating ensures it stands up to the elements, while the built-in rechargeable battery ensures reliability. Crafted with durable aluminum alloy, the SANKESONG lock suits various door types, from steel to glass. Experience smart security that combines cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design. Third product on our list, XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Electronic Smart Door Lock. The XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Electronic Smart Door Lock, designed for modern convenience and security. This smart lock offers multiple unlocking methods, including biometric fingerprint scanning, smart cards, password entry, and even mechanical keys. Biometric technology ensures quick, secure access. The lock integrates seamlessly with the Tuya Smart Life app, so you can unlock the door remotely with just a tap. A built-in doorbell adds extra convenience, while USB emergency charging ensures you never get locked out, even during a battery emergency. Made of durable aluminum alloy, this lock fits doors with thicknesses between 40 to 70 millimeters, including wooden, stainless steel, and brass doors. Fourth product on our list, DSKDFTY Camera Digital Lock. The DSKDFTY Camera Digital Lock, a high-tech solution to keep your home secure. This lock features fingerprint recognition, password entry, card access, and even finger vein recognition for extra security. With its biometric technology, access is fast, secure, and touch-free. Plus, it integrates with Wi-Fi, allowing you to unlock your door remotely using the Tuya Smart Home app. The lock also includes a built-in doorbell, peephole, and screen, so you can see and communicate with visitors before opening the door. Made from durable zinc alloy, it fits doors between 35 to 55 millimeters thick, and the reversible handle makes installation easier. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the DSKDFTY Camera Digital Lock combines convenience, reliability, and advanced security. Fifth product on our list, R5 Pro Smart Door Lock. The R5 Pro Smart Door Lock, a perfect blend of security, durability, and modern technology. Designed for outdoor gates and doors, this lock offers multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, passcodes, key cards, mechanical keys, and remote control. With advanced biometric technology, access is instant and secure. No more lost keys, just touch and go. Plus, the auto lock feature ensures your door locks automatically after closing. The Saudi TT Lock app and Bluetooth connectivity allow remote control and access management. It also supports Alexa and Google Assistant, bringing convenience to any smart home. Built from stainless steel, it fits wooden, steel, brass, and stainless steel doors with thicknesses from 30 to 60 millimeters. Its reversible handle makes installation effortless.